In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert drive links to CSV. By the end, you'll have a simple, reusable process for taking a link from your cloud storage and turning it into a clean CSV file you can share, import, or archive. First, open your browser and go to Google. In the top right corner, click the grid-shaped app launcher, then choose Drive. This takes you straight to your files and folders. Find the specific file or folder you want a link for. This can be anything you store in Drive, like a document, a presentation, or even an entire folder. Select it, then open the Options menu by clicking the three dots. Hover your mouse over Share, and then click Share. A sharing window appears. Here, click Copy Link. This copies the item's link to your clipboard using its current sharing settings. Keep in mind, whatever access that item already has, like restricted to your organization or available to anyone with the link, will be the access tied to the link you just copied. If you're sending this CSV to others, make sure the link's access level aligns with your needs. When you're done, click Done to close the window. Next, let's put that link into a spreadsheet so we can export it as a CSV. Back in Drive, click New at the top left and choose Google Sheets. A blank sheet opens in a new tab. Click into the first cell and paste the link you copied. If you're collecting multiple links, you can paste each one on its own row so they're neatly organized. Sheets will often display the link as a clickable hyperlink. That's fine. When exported, it becomes plain text in your CSV. Now it's time to convert to CSV. Go to the top menu, click File, choose Download, and then select comma-separated values. Class CSV. Google Sheets will generate the CSV and download it to your computer's default Downloads folder. If your spreadsheet has multiple tabs, note that only the active sheet is downloaded as a CSV, which helps keep things tidy when you're exporting a single list of links. That's it. You've copied a Drive link, placed it into a Google Sheet, and exported it as a CSV. This approach is quick, consistent, and easy to repeat. It works well for single links or longer lists, and CSV files are widely compatible with databases, analytics tools, and other spreadsheet apps. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reuse this workflow anytime you need a clean, portable list of Drive links.